In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to leave a team in Microsoft Teams. Whether you're trying to cut down on the number of teams you're a part of or simply stepping away from a project, leaving a team in Microsoft Teams is a straightforward process. Let's walk through this step by step to ensure you can do it with ease. First things first, let's navigate to Teams. You'll want to open Microsoft Teams, either through the desktop application or through your browser if you're using the web app. It's important to make sure you're signed into your account so that you can access all your teams. Once you've logged in, turn your attention to the list on the left-hand side of the screen. This is where all of your active teams are displayed. Take a moment to scan through the list and locate the team you wish to leave. This could be a work group, project team, or any other collaborative space you've been part of in Teams. Once you've found the team you want to leave, there are a couple of simple steps to complete the process. Next, you'll need to access more options for that specific team. To do this, look for the three dots, or ellipsis, next to the team name. Clicking on these three dots will bring up a menu of options related to that team. This menu allows you to manage various aspects of the team, but for our purposes today, we're focusing on one specific option. In the menu that appears, look for the choice that says Leave the Team. Once you see it, go ahead and click on that option. This will trigger an important step in the process, confirmation. When you choose to leave the team, a confirmation message will pop up. This is an essential step to prevent any accidental departures from a team you may still want to participate in. The message usually asks if you're sure you want to leave the team, giving you an opportunity to confirm or cancel the action. Once you're absolutely certain this is what you want to do, proceed to confirm that you want to leave the team. It's important to note that once you leave a team, you will no longer have access to anything within that team. This includes the channels, shared files, and any other features associated with it. So, be absolutely sure before taking this action. If in the future you find that you need to access the team's resources again, you'll need someone from the existing team to re-invite you. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to leave a team in Microsoft Teams. This simple process can help manage your workload by keeping your teams relevant and streamlined. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful.